Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel SS Mathematics Academy. Friends, I hope you are enjoyed about our session number day number 7. Today we are going to enter into the day number 8, class number 8. Out of 36 classes, 8th class. You don't worry. Coming days I have to introduce the physics chemistry also. You don't worry about that. I have to upload the videos as possible as okay na. You don't worry about it. But what I am sending, what I am posting, you practice well. And in the description many questions are there. Daily you have to practice 10 questions. If you have any doubt, any question is not coming, you comment it. I will send the answers to you. Don't worry about that. And coming days we are making a mock test also. We are going to conduct the exam. The work is going on. You don't worry. First you have to watch the videos carefully and see the description link. In that many 100 questions are there. 100 questions enough for that. If you do practice that, definitely you will get the rank. Definitely you will get the rank. Now let us see session number 8, model number 9. Here beautiful model questions are there. In that first question, very easy, general concept is power. Every quadratic polynomial will have 2 zeros. Every quadratic polynomial is 2 zeros. It is false. Sometimes true. Always true. Cannot be determined. Yes, I told you in our 7th class. Every linear polynomial has 1 zero at most. Every quadratic polynomial at most 2 zeros. Every cubic polynomial 3. Every biquadratic polynomial 4. So that is the reason this is always true. Every quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros. It is true. Always true. Answer is always true. This kind of questions. Be ready. Next. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 6, then find alpha square beta square. Oh sir, a power of m, b power of m, nothing but ab whole power m sir, nothing but alpha beta whole square. Right? What is alpha beta? Product of the roots. I told you, every quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. This sum of the roots formula is minus b by a, product of the roots formula c by a. This is already you know very well in our content area, right? Yes, I told you once again. I remember that. If you want to know the total clear concept, because last year 10th class students have lost the classes, pandemic situation, you did not go for the school. If you want the detailed information about polynomial, not only polynomial, all the textbook, all the chapters you see in our playlist, I explain happily 100% very detailedly. You see that content will be there in your mind. Immediate content will be there. Once you watch it, the content will be there in your mind. Then this kind of question you have to do very easily, right? I assure you, my dear friends. Now come to the point. Ax square plus bx plus c is the general form of quadratic equation in terms of x. Yes, sum of the roots formula minus b by a, product of the roots formula c by a. Right, friends. Alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial given. Alpha beta formula is what? A, c by a whole square. Product of the roots formula c by a whole square. Here coefficient a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to minus 6. Okay na? According to coefficient of this given question, you have to substitute c by a minus 6 by a whole square. Minus 6 whole square, 36 plus 36. Finish answer. Okay. Now somebody is saying, sir, this much solution is required, sir. No, not at all. You can, if you know the idea, what is the product of the roots for what is question? Alpha beta whole square. What is alpha beta? C by a. What is c? Minus 6. What is a? 1. Minus 6 by 1. Minus 6 whole square. 36. That's it. Finish answer without solving. Mind game, mind mapping. Okay. Next. Okay, now my dear friends. If alpha is a minus b, beta is a plus b, two roots given, then find the quadratic polynomial. I told you in first video the technique you should follow. Alpha plus beta. What is the formula beta? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals 0. Na? This is alpha sum. This is product. A minus b to a plus b. A minus b to a plus b. I am telling direct shortcut. Already I explained detail in the first video. Now I am telling shortcut. A plus b to a minus b formula a square minus b square. b Before what is the sign? Plus. Where it is this word? That is our answer. Here not there. Here not there. Here there. Finish. Finish answer. A square minus b square. No need to do anything. How it is easy. Now, with the same content, you have to go with 12th question. If a less than 0, negative terms. Remember, greater than 0, positive, equal 0, equal. I told you, every quadratic polynomial has 3 natures, right? Like that here, less than 0, negative nature. Then the graph will be, sir, you told sir in first video, every quadratic polynomial is the shape of parabola. Parabola means U shape, but it is less than, comes down, negative terms. This is your answer. For suppose a greater than 0, this is answer. It's not a quadratic polynomial, it is only linear polynomial. This is your answer. You see, my dear friends, how it is easy. Yes, I told you, a greater than 0, it is U shape. A less than 0, it is reverse. A equals 0, this is your answer. It will touch the one place. One place. Here it is a linear polynomial. This is your answer. Straight line, linear polynomial, linear equation in straight order, straight line order, right? This is a concept, amma. One question, we discussed 4 type of questions. This is a content, amma. This is a content. Next, 13th question. Very interesting question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial, sum and product will be there. But same the way, we have to know that cubic polynomials, yes, cubic polynomial sum, product of the roots 2 at a time. That means alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, product of the roots 3 at a time. Yes, alpha plus beta plus gamma, here minus b by a. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, c by a. Alpha into beta into gamma, minus d by a. You see, this is the formula, very easy to understand. What is asking? This is the question. Sir, shortcut I want to tell you, shortcut, remember. LCM, yes, here alpha there, denominator, upper part, beta, gamma will come. That's it. Beta, gamma will come. Here beta will be there, upper part we have to get alpha, gamma. 3 terms will be there, alpha there, beta, gamma will come. Beta there, gamma, alpha will come. Here gamma will be there, alpha, beta will come. By denominator alpha, beta into gamma. Friends, this formula already there here. What is the value? C by A. This formula already there here. Minus D by A. A get cancelled. D by minus C by minus D. Nothing but minus C by D. Finish. How it is? Easy better. Right? Clear? How you understand? Next, come to the one more good model questions. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial p of x such that alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha equals to minus 7, alpha, beta, gamma equals to minus 14, then the p of x is simple. Already quadratic polynomial 2 roots given. We are going to solve the 3 roots. When the 3 roots are given, we have to find the new cubic polynomial. The formula will be, I told you, and that technique also you should follow. X cube minus alternative signs, x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha x minus alpha, beta, gamma equals 0. You see alternative, plus minus, that's it. Now here friends, all or plus will be, it is not possible, cancel. Okay, na? Here all are minus will be, 3 or more, 3 minus will be, it is also not possible. So the option will be between these two. Now x cube satisfied, alpha, beta, gamma 2 minus 2x square, here there. We can go with one more. Now 7x. Where is minus 7x? Yes, this is our answer. You see friends, without solving any solution, just we have to get the answer. Once again I repeat that. This is the formula. Alternative signs. All are positive, more minus. We can cancel the options. Remaining 2 options is the answers. Here, alpha plus beta plus gamma value 2. Before minus 2x square. Here there. Here not there. Cancel. Next. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha value given minus 7. Substitute here. Plus into minus. Minus 7x. Where is minus 7x? Here not there. Here there. That is our answer. Are you understand, dear friends? Now, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of p of x, quadratic polynomial, 2x square plus 6x minus 6 something is given, then which is correct? Which is satisfied? Simple amount. We should find all our alpha, beta, alpha plus beta, sum of the roots, product of the roots given. We should find that one. Alpha plus beta is minus 6, minus b by a formula, minus b, this is b, this is a, this is c, minus b by a, minus b by a, 2, nothing but minus 3. Clear. Alpha into beta value c by a. What is c? Minus 6. What is a? 2. So minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Both are equal. Where is the equal symbol here? Tell me. Yes. Come on. Yes. Our answer alpha plus beta equals alpha beta. Both are equal. Here also equal. Now, how you understand? Now come to this question. This is the last model of our session. Next I have to go with the previous questions and with shortcuts. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial, okay, then the value of alpha by beta, beta by alpha, simple amount. But it is not in standard form of quadratic polynomial. We have to convert because square power 2 after power 1 then constant. Power 2 6y square, next y value, next constant. From this alpha plus beta, alpha beta value. This is A, this is B, anything is not there, consider is 1 as B, this is C. Minus B by A, minus 1 by 6. Okay, formula minus B by A. Next, C by A, formula C by A. What is C? Minus 2. What is A? 6. Minus 2 by 3. 2 1 minus 2 by 6. 2 1 2 3. So minus 1 by 3. This is alpha beta, alpha into beta value. This is alpha plus beta value. Friends, what is asking Nana? This is a cross multiplication. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Beta into beta, beta square by alpha beta. Okay, now you know this idea in our algebraic identity a square plus b square formula. Do you have any idea? Yes, you are saying correct. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Friends, alpha square plus beta square formula, if you don't know, let us see. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. I want this value. It will transfer to left side. That means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is equals to a square plus b square. In the place of ab, you can write alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta minus 1 by 6 whole square minus 2 alpha into beta minus 1 by 3 by, okay, alpha into beta minus 1 by 3. Okay, friends, let us see. Minus 1 by 6 whole square 1 by 36 plus 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 by minus 1 by 3. Okay, now LCM 3 36 LCM 36. 36 by 36 1 ja 1 into 1 1. 3 will divide 36 12 ja 12 into 2 24 by minus 1 by 3. Here 25 by 36 it becomes reciprocal 3 by 1. 3 1 ja 3 12 ja. So 25 by 12, here sign will be there, minus sign will be there, minus 25 by 12. Clear? How you understand? So what I have done, let us see. Here alpha into alpha square, beta into beta, beta square by alpha. Alpha square plus beta square value, direct formula will be there. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 1. In this alpha plus beta, alpha beta, you have to substitute, then do the sum simplification, then you will get the answer. Friends, now I have to do shortcut way of this question. You see, you have to do this total lengthy process. Some of the students, above average students, maybe they can, but below average students means somebody is not attending the classes, for example, according to their problems. That students also will do this answer fraction of second. Let us see. This total information, total solution part not required. Shortcut, you see. Answer to question. Here 6 into minus 2. What this is a question? No? 6y square plus y minus 2. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. Minus 12 factors 4 3 is 12. Here we want plus 1. Plus 4 minus 12. So remember, got it. Answer got it. Plus into minus, minus. 4 3 is a 12. 12 as a denominator. Where is the 12 as a denominator? 12. This is not. It is a perfect square. It is a perfect. It is not it. Right, my dear friends. Because here 12 is not a perfect square. But here 25 by 36 is perfect square value. Here 25 by 36 perfect square value. Here 12 not a perfect square. So 2 options is gone. Remaining 2 options. 4 is a 12. Where is the 12? Here, there, here, there. Here minus sign will be there. Plus into minus, minus. Minus is the answer. Fix. Now, one more good and useful previous question paper problems. Right? I have to tell you with shortcut. I want to tell you one important point. After that, I will start. Content is king. Content is king. Concept is power. If you know the content, Amma, you see you only solve the answers. Let us see. I have to prove it now. If alpha, beta are the zeros of x square minus 11x plus 28, then alpha square beta plus alpha beta whole square. Okay, na? Friends, alpha beta, here alpha beta common term. Let us take the common for alpha beta. If you take the alpha beta common, here one more alpha will be there. Here alpha beta common, here one more beta will be there. Now product it. Alpha beta into alpha, alpha square beta, alpha beta into beta, alpha beta square. Got it now? Now you can do, yes, your concept is what? Alpha beta value C by A. C, A, B. This is A, B, C. A value 1. C by A, 28 by 1. Close. Alpha plus beta, minus B by A. Here minus 11 will be there. In formula minus B by A. Minus of minus 11 plus 11 by A. 1. 28 2 plus 8, 30. 3 not 8. Finish. You see, my dear friends, how it is easy, Amma. Next. If alpha, beta are the roots of quadratic equation, your concept, your content is only useful here. Yes. Then 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta. Product of these two first. Here common taken, here product. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into beta, beta. 1 into alpha, alpha. Alpha into beta, alpha, beta. After producting of the two brackets, I am getting 1 plus beta plus alpha beta. 1 plus, this is what, Amma? Nothing but beta plus alpha, nothing but alpha plus beta. This is alpha beta. 1 plus alpha plus beta minus B by A. Where is B? This is A, this is B, this is C. Minus B by A. Minus 5 by A value also 5. Plus alpha beta formula C by A. C value 6 by 5. Here 1, 5 cancel, minus 1, here minus 1, here 6 by 5. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 6 by 5. Finish. Easy na? Next. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 and minus 2. What is a quadratic polynomial? I told you. The technique I told you. 5 minus 2 plus 3. Plus 3 come inside. Means alternative sign, no? Middle compulsory minus will be required. Where is the middle minus? Here minus not there. Here minus not there. Next two options only. Here 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Middle 3. Minus 3. 5 into minus 2. Minus 10. Where is minus 3? Where is minus 10? This is the answer. Because the formula will be there now. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals 0. X square minus alpha plus beta 3x plus alpha beta value minus 10 plus into minus 10 minus 10. This is the answer. Clear? Next. The condition for the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus equals 0 to be a quadratic equation. I am asking to you. Pause the video. Just 5 seconds say the answer. What is the important condition? Here 1, option 1, here option 2, here option 3, here option 4. What is the correct option? Yes, very good. Absolutely, your answer is correct. A is not equal to 0, then it is quadratic equation. Remaining is not at all. Only A is not equal to 0. This is your content. Content is power. Concept is king. You have to believe yourself. You have to believe yourself. You are the rack. Now let us see one more good questions. If you are seeing this 20 model previous question, then you can get an idea. Now let us see the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. What are the zeros? I told you the technique, the shortcut I have to apply here. What is the form? 1 into minus 8. Minus 8 factors which is sufficient for this value. 2 4 ja. 4 2 ja 8. Here minus I want, here minus I want. Bigger number put minus. This is plus. Minus 4 plus 2 comes outside. It will comes to minus 2, it will comes to plus 4. This is your answer. Minus 2 plus 4, where it is? Right? Good. Next, shortcut, very easy. Next. Sir, I want more shortcut, sir. You want more shortcut? Huh? Answer to question. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. This is also correct. Next. The parabola y is equals to x square minus 6 cuts the x-axis. Cuts the x-axis. Zeros, roots, whatever it is, same phenomena. 1 into minus 6 factors 2, 3 ja. Because middle minus 1 undamma. Middle minus 1 రావాలి కాబట్టి 2 3 6 బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ సైన్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ రావాలి కాబట్టి బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ మైనస్ పెట్టాలి, దీన్ని ప్లస్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. ప్లస్ 2 మైనస్ 3. ప్లస్ 2 బయటకు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న? మైనస్ 2. ప్లస్ 3 బయటకు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? మైనస్ 3 బయటకు వస్తే ప్లస్ 3. అంటే మైనస్ 2 ఇట్ కట్స్ ద ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్. అంటే మైనస్ 2 కామా 0 3 కామా 0. మైనస్ 2 కామా 0 3 కామా 0. వేర్ ఈస్ minus 2 comma plus 3. This is answer. Minus 2 comma 0 3 comma 0. Simple and more shortcut you want. Let us see. Here what is the value? Minus 6. Here minus 6 I want. Product of 2x values. 3 2 ja plus 6. Not. 3 2 ja minus 6. 3 2 ja minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6. It is not. Option will be between these two. Okay na? That time you can go with another method. What another method means we have to do here minus 3 plus 2 we should get minus 1. Minus 1 come in, enter into inside means plus 1, but here plus 1 is not there, no, minus 1. So this is the way we are going to do that. One more. Here option will be between these two, no. Then in that time you can follow one more technique I want to tell you. Here bigger number sign is what? Minus 6. Here what is the sign? Minus. Here minus will be there. So bigger number, smaller number we should get minus sign. Here smaller number sign minus. Here bigger number minus 3 there, no beta. So this is not option because converted into, right, no? Okay. Next, if alpha beta are the roots of x square minus 1 equals 0, then alpha plus beta. Simple. Alpha plus beta means we should get minus b by a. Minus b means x coefficient. But here x coefficient is not there. Here x coefficient is not there. So answer is 0 by x. A value 1. 0 by something 0. Okay, right. Product of the polynomials x cube plus 8 x minus 8 is denoted by product of these two denoted by quadratic polynomial ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus x plus h plus e, then p of x. 2020 question number 3. Very easy amount. Product of these two one. Product of these two. He gave a idea. X cube into x to the power of 4. First point. X cube into minus 8 x cube. 8 into x plus 8 into x 8x plus 8 into minus 8 minus 64. Okay na beta? X cube into x power 4 x cube into minus 8 x cube plus 8 into x 8x plus into minus 8 is 64. Now p of 8, this is the p of x. Now he is asking p of 8. Okay na? Simple. 8 power 4 minus 8 power 3, okay, plus 8x 8 into 8 minus 64. No 8 power 4 don't expand 8 into 8 into 8, don't do it smart solutions. Here power 1 when the a power of m into a power of n, a power of m plus n, here base are equal, power should be added. 8 8 is 64. Cancel. Plus 8 power 4 minus 8 power 4 get cancel. Plus 64 minus 0 get answer 0. So answer is 0. This is the way we have to solve the answers. Okay na? Friends, you remember this is what is in the form of a cube plus b cube, is in the form of x minus a. You know the algebraic idea, that idea you are getting a plus b equal to cube, a minus equal to cube. There here plus 8 minus 8 have same same numbers but different sign, plus sign, minus sign get cancelled, we are getting 0. That technique also you should follow. I hope that you have to understand these all the models as well as previous questions also. With my best of knowledge, I put my knowledge on the board, which is useful for you 100%. I assure it. You follow things, you watch the video regularly. When you are watching, you are guessing the ideas. First, my style is what I should say content, because content is power. If you know the content and concept, you have such idea, then you can solve the model questions as well as previous question. Without content, every time the solutions is not good. Without practice, we don't go for match. Some practice, we have a confidence. That confidence, we will reach the goal. So that is the reason I am saying content after models, models after previous question paper. This is a way I am following with my best of experience. So that, dear friends, you are a new person of our channel, please subscribe our channel and share these good videos to your family members, friends, WhatsApp group, because this pandemic situation, these videos will help you. Definitely you will get the rank. God bless you. Thank you.